What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here today, and this is the giveaway video for Super Clean. They liked our last video so much with the Grand Marquee and other projects around here in the shop that they want to do a giveaway with you guys. So definitely check out the link below. They're going to be giving away one of these bottles of Super Clean degreaser in the spray form, and then they're going to be giving away one of their aerosol cans as well. Degreaser, aerosol can degreaser. They're going to be giving away one of those as well too. As you're seeing here, you're seeing Aaron using it on his F-150. He loves it. He loves the aerosol can. Even I do it. We actually used all of it because it was so good, and we just had to clean everything in the shop with that. So, but we still have some of this left, and this works well too. So definitely check out the link below. I'm going to put Super Clean's website down below too. Check them out. This video and this giveaway would not be possible without them, so we really appreciate them. And also, they are kind of local to my area, actually in the Twin Cities, Minneapolis area. Definitely check them out. Check out the link below, and in there there'll be instructions on how to enter. The requirement is you have to have a mailing address in the United States to enter the giveaway. That's pretty much the only requirement there. So once you get there, you'll see how to enter, and definitely check that out. So definitely go below, check out the links, and thanks for watching, guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and thanks for checking out the channel, and thank you Super Clean for providing us Super Clean degreaser for the giveaway. Thanks, guys. Have a good night, day, or whatever you're having. See ya. Bye.